Alright, I'm just gonna start doing a documentary, watching. I'm at my daughter's farm, I guess you can call it. And she's out of town, she's at Disney World, enjoying herself. And being the simp that I am, dogs. That's the point. This is the point of this video. I am watching animals. I am watching cats. I am watching dogs. I'm watching pigs. I'm watching... What am I watching? Goats. There's a llama out there. There's a llama out there. I'll show you guys. See? All sorts of shit out there. Oh, pigs too. Big fat motherfuckers. Pigs. So I'm watching all those while she's gone for a week. And I guess I'll document what I do. There's chickens. She's got chickens. I gotta go let the chickens out. So I'll document. I don't know what I'll post or not. Or if I will even post it. Why am I doing it? Y'all know why I'm doing it. 2 reasons. 1, I'm a simp. I'm a simp to the daughters. And why am I a simp to the daughters? Because I'm scared of them. They scared the shit out of me. So these are the pigs. That's the pigs. She's named them all. This is the bigger one. They're all friendly. The little ones bite. So I'm going to feed them. Those are the goats. There's the llama. I got to let the chickens out. So things to do. I'll keep y'all posted. This is what I'm scared of. This llama right there. That's what I'm scared of. So I'm going to go back there. Feed the goats and everything. He doesn't look scary right now. But when he charges you, he's pretty defiant. He's like the protector back there. So that's the only animal I'm kind of scared of. So look at this llama, how close it is. He's right there. See? There's the goats, llama. Yeah. He's almost where I could touch it. Would never do it. But he's almost where I could touch it. This is where I'm at. See how close I am? This is where I'm at. So now the chickens. Gotta get them out. He's ignoring me right now. So he's right there. He's pretty close. He's ignoring me, so we're all good. But usually they stare. But these goats, man, pests. Just let them out. There you go. Let them out there. There they go. A goat here. Daughter told me she wants me to talk to the animals. Hello, boo-boos. Good morning, boo-boos. Believe it or not, all these animals by name, they all have names. All of them, if you can believe that. Daughter says, go in there, the pig pen. You know, call them by their names. Pet them, talk to them, and you feed them and shit. I don't think so. Llamas, chickens, goats, pigs. When I first came, he would just stare at me, the llama. But now he doesn't. I guess he's pretty comfortable with me. But at night it's scary because you gotta put the chicken, and he will round up the goats. And he just gallops near you. They're pretty powerful to me. So how close he is. This is where I'm at. There he is. But I gotta get some water. So I'm coming this way. These guys are all on my way. Just come over here. Don't want to touch. I'm just filling up the water. looked out the window and saw one of the pigs that got out. So, see if we can bring it back. Oh, all of them are out. That's just great. There they are. Come on. Follow me, following the food. We'll take them to the cage. Whoops, tripped over them. Oops. Unlock it. There's the big one. Gotta feed it. It's a big one. Yeah. Give it to these guys. There you go. Find the hole where they got out. A new hole. This is the one that I fixed because that's where they got out before, right? And now they dig this one right there. They just climb out. That's what looks out. So I'll just fill it up with a shovel. They're following me. That's the big one. I don't know what his name is. These are the three little ones. The little ones bite. Big one's okay. They don't bite intentionally. They're little, so they just bite unknowingly. But that's the spot where they're getting out at. Right here. So just put some hay there, put some rocks there, I put a tree stump in there, so we'll see what it does. So I was gonna shovel it with a shovel, but what I did was because I'm brilliant, I should be a farmer. What I did is I just covered it up with their hay, and this is temporary. You know, that's where they were getting out at. So they'll just eat it and hopefully not focus on trying to get out, hopefully, until the hay is gone. Let's see what he's doing. Let's watch him. No, I think he's still trying to get out. I don't know. I'm hoping it'll distract them. We'll see. Yeah. So I put a log in there too. Let's see if you can see it. So in there with the pigs. But there's a log down there. See that? So that'll help a little bit. And then I'm gonna put some dirt over it. And maybe that'll help. I'm not sure. The girl's looking at me. Let's see. I guess I'm okay. Why do I seem like a punk out here? Here he comes. Because I am a punk. I don't want no problems. This thing's pretty close to me. I'll show you. It's the llama. The goats are here too. Those are the goats. Past llama's right here. He was right next to me. I don't know what he's doing. He's going away. You can't check out some things, I guess. Goats are eating on my pants. So, okay, I'm safe now because he's way over there. And when I'm looking at the barns for the chickens, I'm just going to go in and count them. That's all. It's weird because at dawn, they go in by themselves. Something to go and count them. This is them here.